Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee pudding. First, let's gather our simple ingredients to begin this delightful dessert. You'll need instant coffee, sugar, and milk, along with a thickening agent like cornstarch. Having your saucepan and whisk ready will make the process smooth and easy. This method is designed for simplicity, ensuring a delicious treat without much fuss. Now let's get cooking. Start by combining your dry ingredients such as sugar and cornstarch in a saucepan. Then, slowly whisk in the milk, ensuring a smooth mixture free of any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and stir constantly. This continuous stirring is key to preventing scorching and achieving that perfect, creamy consistency as the pudding begins to thicken. Once your pudding has reached the desired thickness, remove it from the heat. Carefully pour the hot mixture into your chosen serving dishes. To avoid a skin forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the pudding. Then, transfer your delicious creation to the refrigerator. It needs to chill for at least 2 hours, or ideally 3 to 4 hours, to set properly and achieve that wonderful, firm texture. Your coffee pudding is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch of elegance, consider garnishing it with a dollop of whipped cream or some delicate chocolate shavings. This chilled dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a rich coffee flavor in a smooth, creamy texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals. We hope you love this easy and delicious coffee pudding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.